Imagine a courtroom drama where the accused in a high-profile murder case gets to dress down, literally, to uphold a fundamental legal principle. That's the stunning decision in the case of Tyler Robinson, the young man charged with killing conservative activist Charlie Kirk. And it's sparking debates on justice, fairness, and public perception. But here's where it gets controversial. Is allowing civilian clothes really a fair shake? Or could it sway how we all view the proceedings? Let's dive in and unpack this story step by step, making sure even newcomers to the legal world can follow along. First off, a quick refresher for those who might not be fully up to speed. Charlie Kirk was a prominent right-wing activist known for his outspoken views on politics and education. Tragically, he was fatally shot while giving a speech at Utah Valley University in Utah. Just over a day later, on September 12th, 22-year-old Tyler Robinson was arrested and slapped with serious charges, including aggravated murder, obstruction of justice, and felony discharge of a firearm. Utah County prosecutors are even pushing for the death penalty, underscoring how grave this situation is. It's a case that's gripped the nation, drawing massive media attention and emotional reactions from all sides. Now, fast forward to a recent court hearing, held virtually on a Monday, where Judge Tony Graff made a key ruling. Robinson wasn't physically there, but his legal team fought for him to appear in civilian clothes during pre-trial hearings. Why? To prevent any bias against him in the eyes of potential jurors. Think about it. If someone sees a defendant in jail garb, it might subconsciously suggest guilt even before a trial begins. This ties into a cornerstone of the American justice system called the presumption of innocence. A simple but powerful idea that everyone accused of a crime is considered innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Judge Graff agreed, stating that Robinson's right to this presumption trumps any minor hassles of letting him wear regular clothes. But here's the part most people miss. The judge didn't go all the way. Robinson will still have to wear restraints, handcuffs, or similar devices to keep everyone safe. However, no photos or videos of him in those restraints will be allowed in the courtroom. It's a least restrictive approach, balancing freedom with security. Judge Graff explained that while Robinson has no prior criminal record, the charges are so severe that risks to safety are real. He emphasized protecting Robinson himself, the lawyers, court staff, and the public from any disruptions, especially given the emotional intensity of the case. In his words, this emotional nature could lead to outbursts or chaos, so restraints stay on. Robinson's request to skip them entirely was denied. And this is the part where opinions diverge sharply. Does dressing Robinson in civilian clothes truly level the playing field? Or does it potentially mislead the public and jury about the seriousness of the allegations? Some might argue it's a smart move to ensure impartiality. After all, studies have shown that jurors can be influenced by visual cues, like attire, leading to unintended biases. Others could see it as a controversial leniency, especially in a case involving a public figure's murder and calls for capital punishment. Is the judge prioritizing one principle over practical realities, or is this just common sense in a fair trial? It's a balancing act that highlights tensions between individual rights and community safety, reminding us that the justice system isn't always black and white. Looking ahead, Robinson's next in-person appearance is set for January 16th, where more details might emerge. In the meantime, this ruling serves as a fascinating case study on how courts navigate high-stakes trials. What do you think? Does allowing civilian clothes help preserve innocence, or does it risk undermining the gravity of the charges? Do you agree with the restraints decision, or would you push for more freedom? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear differing viewpoints and spark a deeper discussion on these tricky legal waters.